Oh, the potato, round and brown, from soil it grows, then wears a crown. A humble spud, with skin so neat, a treasure buried underneath. Native to the Andes Mountains in South America, primarily in modern-day Peru and Bolivia. Indigenous peoples of the Andean region have cultivated potatoes for thousands of years. Potatoes were first domesticated around 8000 to 5000 BCE by the Andean civilizations. They were also pioneering in food preservation, creating chuño, dehydrated potatoes that could be stored for years. The Spanish conquistadors have just crossed the ocean to the New World, and they stumble upon a crop that will forever change the world, the potato. But what did they really find? And how did a simple vegetable become the backbone of countless dishes across the globe? Little did they know, it would spark an agricultural revolution that would help feed millions. The potato's introduction to Europe during the Columbian Exchange dramatically increased agricultural productivity. Potatoes provided more calories per acre than traditional staples like wheat, allowing farmers to utilize previously fallow land effectively. This doubled Europe's food supply and reduced famine, creating the stability needed for empire building. Potatoes became a staple crop in Europe, and later in North America, where they gained immense popularity due to their versatility and nutritional value. The potato played a pivotal role in the rise of empires by revolutionizing agriculture, enhancing nutrition, and enabling population growth, which in turn fueled military and economic dominance. The nutritional value of potatoes, rich in calories, vitamins, and nutrients, supported rapid population growth. For example, the introduction of potatoes is estimated to account for nearly 1/4 of the population and urbanization growth in Europe and Asia between 1700 and 1900. This population boom provided labor for industrialization and armies for conquest. Potatoes became a strategic crop during wars. Their resilience and high yield ensured food security for soldiers and civilians alike. For instance, during the Napoleonic Wars and other European conflicts, potatoes served as a reliable food reserve, sustaining armies that expanded empires. In Qing Dynasty China, potatoes fed settlers and armies, enabling territorial expansion. In England, potatoes fed workers in industrial centers, particularly in coal mining regions where other crops struggled to grow. Potatoes became a strategic crop during wars. Historian William H. McNeill argued that the potato was essential to the rise of Western powers between 1750 and 1950. By feeding growing populations, it enabled some European nations to establish global dominance through colonization and industrialization. The regular potato's high yield and nutritional value enabled more people to move from rural areas to cities, supporting the urbanization that was essential for industrial development. In today's contemporary world, by choosing organic potatoes, you are avoiding one of the most common genetically modified foods. This aligns with a broader desire to reduce the presence of GMOs in our diets and to support biodiversity and natural agricultural practices. Organic farming practices are more sustainable. By avoiding synthetic chemicals, organic farming helps protect local ecosystems, soil quality, and water systems, making it a better choice for the planet in the long run. Its starch-filled heart, a savory bite, comfort food that feels just right. In gardens deep. It starts to grow, a root that helps the world to glow. Regular organic potatoes, when prepared and eaten in a healthy way, can offer several health benefits. Here are some of the key health benefits of organic regular potatoes. Rich in nutrients. Organic potatoes are a good source of essential vitamins and minerals, particularly vitamin C, vitamin B6, potassium, and iron. They contain antioxidants like flavonoids and carotenoids, which help protect cells from damage. High in fiber. When eaten with the skin on, organic potatoes provide a significant amount of dietary fiber. This helps support digestive health, regulate bowel movements, and may lower the risk of heart disease by improving cholesterol levels. Good source of potassium. Potatoes are an excellent source of potassium, which is vital for maintaining healthy blood pressure levels and supporting proper muscle and nerve function. Support heart health. The fiber, potassium, and antioxidants in potatoes contribute to heart health by helping to manage blood pressure and reduce inflammation. Provide energy. Potatoes are a good source of carbohydrates, which are the body's primary source of energy. They are an excellent option for fueling your body before or after exercise. Boost immune system. Potatoes contain vitamin C, which is known to boost the immune system by supporting the production of white blood cells and protecting against infections. Aid in weight management. Potatoes, especially when eaten in moderation and prepared healthily, can contribute to a feeling of fullness and satisfaction, potentially reducing overeating. They are also low in calories when prepared without added fats. Promote healthy skin. The vitamin C in potatoes supports collagen production, which is important for maintaining healthy, youthful skin. It's important to note that the health benefits of regular organic potatoes can be influenced by how they are prepared. Baking, boiling, or steaming potatoes are healthier methods, compared to frying, which can add unhealthy fats from refined, reused oils, and excess unhealthy calories. Mashed or baked, beyond compare. Boiled, roasted, or in a stew, the potato's magic shines right through. Recipe: roasted garlic herb regular organic potatoes. Ingredients: 4 medium-sized regular potatoes, such as russet or Yukon Gold, washed and cut into 1-inch cubes, 2 tablespoons olive oil, 4 cloves garlic, minced, 1 teaspoon dried rosemary, or fresh if available, 1 teaspoon dried thyme, or fresh if available, 1/2 teaspoon paprika, optional for a smoky flavor, salt and pepper to taste. Instructions: preheat oven to 400 degrees Fahrenheit, 200 degrees Celsius. Prepare the potatoes. Cut the potatoes into 1-inch cubes, ensuring they are roughly uniform in size for even cooking. Season. In a large bowl, toss the potato cubes with olive oil, minced garlic, rosemary, thyme, paprika, if using, salt, and pepper until evenly coated. Roast. Spread the seasoned potatoes in a single layer on an iron pan or on a baking sheet lined with parchment paper. Bake. Roast the potatoes in the preheated oven for about 30–35 minutes, flipping them halfway through, until they are golden brown and crispy on the outside, soft on the inside. Serve. Once done, remove the potatoes from the oven. Garnish with fresh parsley for a touch of color and extra flavor, if desired. These roasted garlic herb potatoes are a great side dish that pairs well with roasted chicken, grilled fish, or even a vegetarian main like a grain bowl boiled, roasted, or in a stew. The potatoes' magic shines right through. Plus, they're packed with fiber and nutrients from the organic potatoes. Enjoy! And now is time for a funny dialogue between a regular potato and a sweet potato are sitting next to each other, both looking a little smug. The tension is thick as they argue about who's the better potato. Regular potato puffs up, feeling proud. I mean, come on, let's be real. I'm the classic, the og. Without me, you wouldn't even exist, my sweet friend. I've been mashed, baked, fried, and I'm the star of every dinner plate. Sweet potato. Oh please, you think you're the star? You're the sidekick in most dishes. Let's be honest, people only eat you because they're too scared to try something new. I'm the real hero. I've got vitamins, antioxidants, and I'm naturally sweet. People love me in healthy pies, fries, casseroles. I'm practically a dessert. I'm the true energy source. You? You're a glorified candy, and don't get me started on how people only pull you out for special occasions. Sweet potato scoffs. Excuse me, I am versatile. I'm the perfect balance of healthy, sweet, and savory. You can throw me in a curry, make fries out of me, or even roast me with fish. Can you do that? No. You regular potato can only be mashed or roasted like it's some kind of basic routine. Regular potato. Basic? I'm the foundation of every comfort food. Potatoes au gratin, loaded baked potatoes, mashed. You only get invited when people are trying to eat healthy. Which, by the way, is just a fancy way of saying, we can't have dessert, but let's pretend we can. Sweet potato. Oh, I get it. You're just bitter because I'm the new trend. People are obsessed with me, they even call me superfood. I'm making a comeback on Instagram while you're still stuck in the 90s. Regular potato. Don't make me go there. Do you really want to compare our mashed forms? You can barely hold your own in the mashed department. I've been turned into buttery perfection, whipped with cream. You're just lumpy and orange. Sweet potato. Smirks, lumpy and orange? That's called character, buddy. I'm unique, not a one-size-fits-all. Also, I don't need to drown in butter to taste good. I'm unique, not a one-size-fits-all starch. You should try it sometime, it might open up a whole new world for you. Regular potato. Look, sweetie, we all know deep down that when it comes to a real potato, it's always going to be me. I'm the classic, the legend. Sweet potato. Sure, you keep telling yourself that. But when I'm the star of the Thanksgiving dinner table, and you're just the mashed side dish, don't say I didn't warn you. Regular potato. Yeah, well, I'm the reason people need that extra helping of pie. You're just there to make them feel better about eating something healthy. They both pause, stare at each other. After a few seconds, they burst into laughter. Regular potato. Okay, you're not that bad, and both of us are real couch potatoes. Sweet potato. Yes, and you're not that boring. We both have our time to shine. Stay happy potato, healthy and sweet. I will see you in my next nutritional episode. What is your favorite potato dish? Please write in a comment section below. Here's to you, oh spud so fine, a simple joy in every line. In kitchens far and wide, you reign, a comfort food through the sun or rain. Thank you for watching. Please like, share and subscribe.